In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Weis Wave Volume Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the indicator added to your chart and ready to use, even if you're fairly new to TradingView. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Look toward the top of your chart for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might say Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, but it will be in that top toolbar area. Go ahead and click that to open the Indicators menu. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search bar near the top. This is the fastest way to find what you need, instead of scrolling through long lists. Click into that search bar so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, start typing the name of the indicator, Weis Wave Volume. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators below. Make sure you select the correct one that matches this name, not something that just looks similar. When you see Weis Wave Volume appear in the results, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart, usually at the bottom as a separate panel under the price. Once the indicator is on your chart, you'll see its name along the left side of that panel. Next to the name, there will be a small gear icon for settings. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window for Weis Wave Volume. This is where you can fine-tune the look and behavior of the indicator. Inside the settings, you'll typically have options for things like colors, line styles, and sometimes calculation inputs. Take a moment to adjust the visuals so they're easy for you to read against your chart background. For example, you might want stronger colors or thicker lines so the waves stand out clearly. If you're just starting out, you can usually leave the default inputs as they are and only change the styling so it's visually comfortable. After you've made your adjustments, click OK or close the settings window, and your customized Weis Wave Volume Indicator is ready to go. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more indicators and features, you can use the link in my description to get started.